Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about precision agriculture. It is also known as a smart farming or precision farming. It's a farming technique that uses technology to optimize crop yield, reduce waste, and increase the efficiency. This approach involves using data analytics, GPS mapping sensors, and other high-tech tools to analyze and manage soil and crop conditions. One of the key benefits of precision agriculture is that it allows farmers to customize their approach to individual fields and given sections of a field. This is done by collecting data on the factors such as soil moisture, nutrient levels, and crop health, and then using that data to make precise decisions about things like irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. And another important aspect of precision agriculture is the use of drones and other unmanned aerial vehicles to monitor crop growth and detect potential problems from above. This enables farmers to identify issues early on and take action before they become major problems. In addition to improving crop yield, precision agriculture also has significant environmental benefits. By reducing waste and optimizing resources use, farmers can also help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and improve the overall sustainability of their operations. Conclusion. In conclusion, precision agriculture is a game changer for the farming industry. By using technology to optimize crop yield, reduce waste, and increasing in the efficiency, farmers can grow more food while reducing their impact on the environment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos on agriculture sector. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.